Technician is a worker in a field of technology who is proficient in a relevant skill and technique with relatively practical understanding of the theoretical principles. Repairman is a person who repair vehicles, machinery, or appliances.